Hi there.
Hey, everybody.
How are you?
Welcome.
We are coming to you to show you exactly how to do an 11-day cleanse. We are really excited about this. We think this will be a very easy way that walks you step by step through a shake day and a cleanse day.
So first of all, you're going to wake up on New Year's Day, right? Yeah, I'm excited. And the first thing you're going to do is take your Isagenix Supreme. Some of you may have it in a canister rather than, this is a box, but it says Isagenix Supreme across it. And what you want to do is you want to put 1 scoop in about 6 ounces of water into your shaker cup. You shake it up really good because it takes a little bit to dissolve it, and then you drink it down.
Awesome. And then 30 minutes after you take in your Isagenix Supreme, you are going to have an Isoline or an Isopro shake.
Isoline Pro. Yep,
Isoline Pro shake. So you're going to mix this with 8 ounces of water. You can blend it with ice. With your water, you can use less water, you can use more water, but just make sure that in your first 11 days, you do not add anything but water to your shake. And you're also, when you take your shake, you're going to have a natural accelerator. So this is just a natural metabolism booster that you're going to take. Now it does contain niacin, so that's why we ask you to separate it 30 minutes from your Isagenix Supreme.
Yes, for sure. And with the shakes, a lot of questions we get are, can we use water? I mean, can we use milk? Nope, just water, no other form, just water. And you can mix it up. So the chocolate is super thick, and some people don't like the consistency. So if you do 1 scoop chocolate, 1 scoop vanilla, voila, it thins it out. So as long as you have 2 scoops, it doesn't matter what 2 scoops you use. Mid-morning?
Mid-morning, you're going to have a snack. Your snack should be at least 200 calories. If you're being strict,
yes, then
I recommend that instead of a 200-calorie snack, such as veggies and hummus, hard-boiled eggs, that you do 2 ISA snacks. This is how I started. This is how I started out on the system, was with the snacks, and this actually helped curb my cravings more than anything. So these actually not only help regulate your blood sugar, but they also help with your metabolism. So again, your options are in mid-afternoon. You can have a 200-calorie healthy snack, or you can have 2 Isagenix snacks.
Yes, and like Amanda said, I've been doing the 200-calorie snacks, but because we have an event we're trying to get ready for, I'm actually going to do the 2 ISA snacks for mid-morning and 2 ISA snacks for mid-afternoon. Your lunch is either your other shake or your meal. So let's pretend it's your shake. You're going to do 2 scoops again of your shake, 8 ounces of water. You shake it up real good. You can pour it into a magic bullet, put ice in it. Again, don't add anything else other than the shake mix and the water. That's your lunch.
That's your lunch. And then in the afternoon, you again are going to have a 200-calorie snack or your Isagenix snacks.
Perfect. Your meal at supper time. Oh, and you're also going to have your natural accelerator,
Yeah.
Your other natural accelerator you take at the mid-afternoon snack. So you're taking 2 of those. Your meal, 400 to 600 calories, well-rounded meal, no like lasagna or pizza or fast food. You want it to be whole foods. Try to stay away from processed foods, frozen foods, like frozen dinners and things like that. Those are really high in sodium. Just take a look at your plate. If half the plate's of veggies, a quarter of the plate is lean protein, and a quarter of the plate is a whole grain or healthy carbohydrate, and then you want to cook all of that in either avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, or coconut oil. You can also eat avocados. You want to make sure you do get some fat in there. You don't want it to just be, you want to have a well-rounded dinner.
Not all fat is bad. So it's important to know the difference between a good fat and a bad fat. So then one thing that you need to make sure that you're doing throughout the day is drinking water. Water is a very important component to this system. You should be drinking half of your body weight in ounces of water, up to 100 ounces of water every single day. The reason is because this is not a bowel cleanse, but when you are introducing your body to this system, you have to have a way to release those toxins, and those toxins are actually released through your urine. So this is the perfect way for you to flush your body. At bedtime, before you go to bed, you can take Isoflush. Some people may not need this. I personally actually have to take 4 to 5 of these every night, and that's okay. In the beginning, you might want to try them. If you have problems with bowel movements, you should take 1 to 2 of them. If you don't have problems with them, you can eventually get rid of this. This is also great in the middle of the night because it actually has magnesium in them, so it's really good for muscles.
Yeah. I totally agree with everything Amanda said, and I lost my train of thought. When you choose foods, Amanda included on this page an alkaline and an acidic chart. You want to try to choose foods on the alkaline side. Isagenix is alkaline based, all of the products. So you want to make sure that you choose from the alkaline side. So take a look at that chart. Do you see coffee? Coffee is acidic. Okay, so we do ask that you refrain from coffee. I know that's tough. Isagenix does have their own coffee. It's called Isa Coffee. Love it. It's really good.
Really, really good.
It's alkaline. And you can drink it on cleanse days and on shake days.
And through your first 11 days.
Oh, yeah,
yes,
you can.
For sure.
So another things like peanut butter is always a good choice for, but peanuts are acidic. Yeah, almond butter is a much better choice.
And it's tasty.
And it's tasty. So you want to take a look at that chart, and before you make a decision on what to eat, that'll help you.
Absolutely. So your first 2 days on this system, days 1 and 2, are going to be shake days. So we just explained shake days to you. The next 2 days are cleanse days. Do not be upset about or scared about a cleanse day. Cleanse days, when I started, I was terrified. I had no idea what to expect, but let me tell you, the cleanse days are actually now my easiest days. So when you wake up on a cleanse day, the first thing you're going to do is take 4 ounces of your Cleanse for Life.
Once you open the bottle, it needs to be refrigerated. If you have the powder form, you do 2 scoops of the powder in 8 ounces of water and shake it up. You don't do 1. It's kind of misleading on the label. You want to do 2 scoops. But what you do with the Cleanse for Life is 4 ounces of cleanse 4 times a day, which means after your 2-day cleanse, this bottle should be empty. If it's not empty, you goofed up somewhere. So you want to make sure.
So with the cleanse day, you start out your first with 4 ounces of cleanse and 1 natural accelerator.
Yeah. We posted below the cleanse day schedule. And basically every 2 hours, you're going to do something, okay? There's no food. You're not eating any food on cleanse days, and you're not drinking your shakes on cleanse days. All you're using are the Isagenix products that we're showing you today. So we already went through the cleanse, and Amanda said that you take your natural accelerator 2 times on a cleanse day.
And then your snacks, you actually can have up to 12 of these. You want to separate your snacks from your chocolates by 30 minutes. Typically what you can do is you eat your 2 chocolates first, and then you have your 2 snacks. The chocolates are amazing. I like to break them into 4s,
they're yummy.
And then you can let them just melt in your mouth, or you can chew on them, or whatever you do. So they're delicious.
You don't want to, you want to just take 4 of these on a cleanse day. They're very tasty, and people tend to overeat these, okay? The whole purpose of a cleanse day is to slow down your digestive system for 2 days to allow your liver to do its job, which is to cleanse the toxins out of the body. So you do not want to activate that. By eating a lot of these, you're activating the digestive system.
Absolutely.
So like Amanda said, with these guys, you can take 6 to 12. On a cleanse day. So I always have people write it on the bottle, maybe here, and then this is 4 times on a cleanse day.
So that's basically a cleanse day.
Isoflush.
And you can take the Isoflush at night again. Again, this is dependent on you. You will figure out very quickly whether you need more or if you need less of these. So your body will start to change. You're going to notice that your cravings are changing. You're going to notice so many awesome things about you that's going to change whenever you do this system. So just know that we're here. We've been there. We have done our very first cleanse. We are excited to get you started. We're excited to walk you through this, and know that you can reach out to us for any questions that you have.
Oh yeah, definitely, for sure. like Amanda said, you want to make sure you drink enough water, up to 100 ounces per day. So if you weigh over 200 pounds, you just want to drink 100 ounces. Yeah, you don't want to overdo the water. If you're an exerciser, a big question we get is, can we exercise on cleanse days? You can, but if you're a new cleanser, if this is your first cleanse, we recommend to not exercise on your cleanse days. If you're a seasoned cleanser, you know your body well enough to know if you can exercise on cleanse days. You can also take the amped products on cleanse days, minus the fuel. You can't take fuel on cleanse days. And all that, for those of you that are just starting, you don't understand that terminology, that is our performance line. So you do not have that with the system that you bought, but that may be something you want to think about in the future.
Awesome.
I don't think, no, I think we're good. I think we've gone through everything. Hopefully this really helps you understand what we're doing.
One thing, I think we kind of touched about this in the beginning of the video, but know that the 11 days is strict. We want to make sure that you understand that you cannot drink alcohol.
Nope.
No soy.
Nope.
No dairy.
Nope.
And no sugar. All of these things actually are acidic and cause inflammation in your body. And the goal is to get the inflammation and bring your body to a more alkali level. So avoid these things. You can do anything for 11 days. And I guarantee you that it is, it's not going to be as bad as you think it is. So I'm really excited for you guys.
And I forgot. I remember something.
What's that?
You want to take pictures on day one.
Yes.
You want to take a front, a side, and a back picture. You either do it in a mirror if you don't have somebody to take it for you, or you can do it yourself, or you can have somebody else do it. And you want to take your measurements. You want to take measurements. If you don't have you should have gotten a little booklet, and at the very end, it has a little graph to put your measurements in, and you should have gotten a tape measure also. You want to take your measurements there's little dots all over the person. You want to take your measurements and record them on day 1, day 5, day 11.
Right.
Or day 12, excuse me, day 12. And then if you're continuing on, you'll be joining our next group, and then you can fill it in for day 30 also.
Awesome.
Yes. So you don't skip taking pictures.
Don't.
So many people regret when they skip it.
This isn't for us. We don't have to see your pictures, but I'm guaranteeing you right now that you are going to be blown away when you put those pictures side by side after day 11.
Exactly.
So take your pictures.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, we're so excited.
We are very excited.
So pictures, measurements,
weight.
And weight.
Weight should be done first thing in the morning after waking up. I always pee before I take my weight because that's like an extra pound. So,
geez, you hold it in all night.
I drink a lot of water.
Oh yeah, okay.
I guess I get up in the middle of the night. So, definitely do that within about 10 minutes of waking. Never
weigh yourself on any day besides day 1, day 5, and day 12. Do not step on that scale. I will come to your house and throw the freaking scale out the door, okay?
Too funny.
Please do not weigh yourself. People your weight fluctuates.
Yes.
You can't do that to yourself, okay?
We used to be told you can't weigh until day 12.
So,
but we're being nice and letting you weigh on day 5.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right, guys. 2017 is going to be your year. I can see it. I'm so proud of all of you for taking charge of your health, and I cannot wait to hold your hand and walk you through this journey and provide you support along the way.
Have a great one, everybody. We're super excited.
Bye.